Unspoken are the truths that lay within you. Even though there were scars, no one had a clue. He used you, then abused you, but no one could see. He left you for days on end with no tea. All of this at only 13. Unspoken is the pain you slept with at night. You were that tired you couldn't grasp your teddy tight. Feeling alone, asking what am I alive for? You were sick of your life, abused deep down to the core. All of this at only 14. Unspoken, growing up but still feeling weak. You would attempt to run away, but the damp floorboards would creak. A broken heart, a broken smile. You would hurt yourself with a nail file. All of this at only 15. Unspoken, the biggest year of your life. Instead of revising, you hurt yourself with a knife. He would make you take drugs. You were constantly surrounded by thugs. All of this at only 16. Unspoken, free from school, you had a summer to get away. That's all until results day. You failed your exams, didn't get one good grade. Alone in your home, you grabbed the deathly blade. All of this at only 17. Spoken, the tragic fate of such a smart girl. A girl, due to circumstances, hated the world. As the abuse took so much, she took her own life. Hurt herself with the last bit of strength. All of this and dead by 18.